Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we will cover a very interesting Java problem. How to check whether a particular character is a vowel or consonant. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first we will see what are the vowels and what are the consonants. So in English language, there are total 5 vowels. First is A, E, I, O and U. So these are the 5 vowels which are present in English language. Similarly, I wrote here in the lowercase, same you can consider with the uppercase. So we will cover both the cases here. So let's create one public void method. I will give method name as a check vowel or consonant, and inside this we will pass one character, and we will check whether this particular character is a vowel or consonant. If it is a vowel, then we will print this particular character is a vowel. If it is a consonant, then we'll print this particular character is consonant. For that, here we will be using if else block. Okay, you can use switch case statement as well, but as a part of this particular video, I will gonna be using the if else block. So first you have to start with the if condition. In if condition, where we will check whether particular character is is uh, is one of this particular 5 characters or not. We'll try with A, then we will check for E, then we will check for I, and then for remaining two. The first one is O and the last one is U. Okay, here I have to write character is equal to U. Let me reduce a bit. Okay, now it's fine. So what here will happen, if character is equal to A, E, I, O, U, then we will print in the S out that that particular character is a vowel, and in else block we will print character is a consonant. I will give a space here so that it will look good when it will get printed. So now let's use this particular method here inside this particular main class or main method, and let's print it. As of now, I will just make it static so we can directly use it here. So here I will declare one char variable. So as of now, first I will give characters. First character we'll use is A, okay, and we'll pass that particular character to this particular method. Check if vowel or consonant, and here I will pass the character. So now let's see if I'm passing A, what it will print. Whether it will print it is a vowel or it is a consonant. As per correct result, it should print it is a vowel. Let's execute the program and let's see the output. So here you can see it correctly printed A is a vowel. So let's pass any other character rather than A, E, I, O, U. I will pass R, and let's see now what the program will print. So here you can see now it's printing R is a constant because R is not a part of this particular list A, E, I, O, U. So in this particular way, you can check whether particular character is a vowel or consonant. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. We will meet in the next particular video.